Hello children, so I'm going to show you how to enter into a classroom, how to join into the class and how to submit your homeworks and how can you see class works and material submitted by your teacher. Okay, now see here, when you open a classroom app, when you download it, the classroom app, first screen is you can see as a student, as a teacher, two options. You have to choose as a student only. Okay, once if you choose as a student, and you will get this window like this. So you have to take the mouse pointer over here at the plus symbol, take the mouse pointer over there, so click on it. So this is a join class window. Ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. So you have to enter the code given by your teacher here. So you have the different codes for different classrooms, right? So you have to enter the classroom code, whatever the classroom you want to join, you just enter the code here. Okay, I'm entering the code and join. Click on join. Yes, this is a classroom you have joined. So if you enter the code, the classroom will look like this only. You can see the three options here: stream, classwork and people. In the stream section, by default you can see the stream section. How you can see the in the Facebook different posts and different messages, in the same way you can see here in the stream sections, you can post here in the stream section. Okay, now how can you post your homework here? Now see, first message, share something with your class. You just click on it, share something with your class. Okay, so when you click on that, you can see this window, share with your class. The mouse, the cursor is blinking here. You just type which subject's homework you're going to submit. You just write some description about your homework. Now I have submitted, or otherwise I have attached Hindi homework. Okay, so just write a message. After that, you can see here one add, like attachment option. This is a button, add button. You just click on it. You can see 4 options available here: Google Drive, link, file, YouTube. So I think you're taking photographs or you're taking some screenshots and you're just putting in your device, like in your mobile or otherwise in your PC. That means you are save it in a file, something in a file you are saving, or in a gallery you are saving your homework pics, right? So now select file. So don't select Google Drive, link or YouTube, any of these 3 options. You have to choose file only, because you're submitting photographs. As a photographs you're submitting your homework, then you have to choose file. Now click on file. Now you can see this window will appear to upload your homework. Now in the center of the window you can see select files from your device. Click on it. Yes, when you select, the window will appear like this. You choose the location where you have saved your homework files. Now I'm choosing my homework's location, like I'm just desktop. I'm just selecting here. I have one drawing here, I'm just attaching just for you. Click on it and just selecting this and click on open. Now you can see immediately the file is attached here like this. If you want to add some more files, same process, click on add more files and attach the remaining files also, remaining photographs also. Then click on upload button. Okay, yes, see, now the file is uploaded. Now the file is uploaded here. Okay, now see here, you can see post, cancel and post. 2 options are there. You have to choose post option here. So when you type the message, then only the post option is enabled, otherwise it will be in the disable mode only. Okay, now see here, once if you're done, just click on post. Now see here, your homeworks are attached here. Now your teacher can view and you will get the comment for this homework also. So this is the PC I'm using here, PC laptop, to show the classroom app. But if you are using mobile, the same way you have to do. You just select the gallery instead of when you select the file, after that you have to choose the gallery where you have selected your files or photographs. Okay, same process for that also. And now coming to the classwork section. In the classwork section, you can see different study materials, videos and worksheets and the work provided by your teacher. Whatever the like videos, if whatever the materials and whatever the worksheets and notes provided by your teacher, you can see in the classwork section. Okay. Now here in the people section, you can see you can see your classmates here. Okay, right, this is about classroom app, stream, classwork and paper. Thank you.